In this guide, I'll show you how to stop mic echo in Discord on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to your server, and we're going to go to the three dots, which is more options, and we're going to go to voice chat settings. Now, once you're here, select microphone level. And when it comes to mic echo, oftentimes there's a few things you can do. The first thing being, ensure you're talking into your microphone close to your mouth, or else it's going to pick up a lot of outside noise from your environment. In addition to that, you could also try turning down the microphone level for your headset because if it's up too loud, it's going to be a lot more sensitive to any noise in your environment, which is going to cause echo. Now, another thing you could try if you're experiencing really bad echo is to simply unplug your headset from your controller and see if that fixes your issue when you plug it back in. But between all these different things, it should reduce the mic echo coming from your headset. And if not, another thing you could try is swapping out your controller or using a different headset if possible. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.